Hello friends, today we will be discussing about a very new and a very effective product from the house of Bioderma, and that is Bioderma Sebium Night Peel. Now this product is very effective and very versatile. I use for various indications like acne, different types of acne which are having associated discoloration, comedonal acne, and when I treat my patients for the melasma, when I'm treating somebody who has excessively oily skin, and even for anti-aging. Now, why this product is so versatile? It has got 15% glycolic acid, which causes microexfoliation and increases the cellular renewal rate. So when we combine Sebium Night Peel with anti-acne treatment, it works as a penetration enhancer. So other products, they get better penetration because of this microexfoliation. Also, it reduces the synthesis of melanin, so we see good impact in PIH cases, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Because of its comedolytic action, we also see that the comedones, they're also not being formed that rapidly. And other than that, it has a good control on sebaceous glands, so we see that oily skin is taken care of. And also, when I prepare my melasma patients for various procedures, this also serves as a very good priming agent. So I start my patients roughly 6 weeks before any chemical peel or any kind of resurfacing procedure. I start on Sebium Night Peel so that I can take care of the future complications. Other than that, it also serves as a very good anti-aging tool because we know it's a glycolic acid, and regular microexfoliation also enhances the synthesis of collagen. So Sebium Night Peel is one of my favorite product these days.